everybody, I am back and I've got another lace wig review for you, and I really like it. But before I show it to you, let me show you my t-shirt. I got my Colin Kaepernick t-shirt supporting him and Nike. Okay, I got it on eBay. You can order yours too. Okay, so this wig is something that I've been wearing off and on for some time, and it looks short right now, shorter than normal, because I've cut off about 4 inches. It's normally much longer than this. It's an ombre color, and it's dark at the roots, and it's lighter as you go down, and it has a 6-inch parting space. Look at this. Yes, I did put makeup in the part. There's no lace to cut off. You can leave some of your own hair out if you want to. Let me go around and then I'll show you what it is. So it basically looks like a braid out, and it's a light yaki texture ombre. Okay, now here it is. Equal 6-inch lace part wig. And let's see the color. It is a bronze color. I gotta put the my glasses on. It's called GX Bronze. And let me show you the whole box. It's a big box. Okay, it's from Equal. Let me show you the back of it. There it is. So you can see it's much longer. It like goes to her waist and down her back. You can see how thick the box is. So let me tell you what I like about it. It's decently priced. I think it was $30-some. I got it, I believe, New York Hair Mall. I think that's where I got it. A lot of places sell out of it really quickly, and then you got to be put on a waiting list, and then they email you when it's back in stock. So a lot of people like it. It's very popular, and it's very light, and I think it looks extremely natural looking. And I think I feel kind of sexy when I wear it too. And I love how dark it is at the top, and then how it slowly gets lighter but not too light. I love it. And the color, like I said, is GX Bronze. And just take a look at it. It's very lightweight. See, it moves very easily. It has the combs on the side and in the back. I am not using the combs. I just tightened up the elastic bands in the back for a tighter fit, and that's just about it. Now, it looks close to this when you first get it. I wore this for about a month, and then I put it away and changed my style. So this is what it looks like after a month. But if you get it fresh out of the box, it's pretty close to this. It's not too much different than this. So that's it. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you have it, if you love it, if you're going to reorder it. And I'll try to put all the details below for you in case you want to purchase it, okay? I hope you like it. I do. But it will be going off today because I am going to be crocheting braids again. And I'm going for the Zoe Bohemian box braids that I'm going to put in myself. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, you guys take care.